Hi, I'm Elmer, Rig Ready team. We're here enjoying the show in Flagstaff, Arizona, and glad to show off a few of our kits here. We assemble these kits in Phoenix, Arizona. It's a family business. We have our heavy duty Jackout kit here with a 2-ton jack in it, our standard Jackout kit here with a 1.5 tons, all the other tools you need to change a tire or get yourself out of trouble in the woods. Something kind of unique, a Starlink system with a battery backup. You're good for 10 hours here on a battery backup, as well as a solar panel. We have more of a minimalist kit here with just a jack in it and just a drop bag for your own stuff in there. And then just different sizes of Jackout kits, also with skids on it. Something new we have this year is a tow kit with a Yankum rope, all American made components. Something will be appearing on our website real soon. The easiest way to get in contact with us is through the website at rigreadysystems.com. My son, Nathan Brown, is the owner of the company, and he'd be glad to get back with you. We also do a little bit of custom foam cutting if needed.